added some additional annotation to the profile view. We've added some horizontal geometry curve information, and we have added the ability to annotate the profiles in the profile view. So let me give you an example. So here I'm going to open a profile of just this alignment that we have. The first thing you'll notice up top is we've always had those little different coloration areas to represent the horizontal curve. Now we actually put the horizontal curve data. The other thing we've done is we've added the ability now inside the profile view to annotate the elements and remove the elements. So this is the same annotation you would use in your design models or your drawing models. Now you can do it directly inside the profile view. So if I want to annotate a profile, I just say, hey, annotate the profile. And in that scenario, it read the default annotation and annotated it for me. They are responsive to the drawing scale. So you can see as I'm changing the drawing scale, those annotations are updating on the fly. They are dynamic. So for example, if I go in here and change the length of this vertical curve from 2000 to 2500, you'll notice the annotation will automatically update to reflect a length of 2500. So they are dynamic as well. Notice again, you can remove the annotation at any time. You can come in here, and if you want to annotate all the profiles in the model, you can just say annotate all of them. So if you have one or you have 100, it would annotate every single one of them, and that works fine. By the way, if you close the view and you come back in, those annotations are still there. So they are retained as you move in and out of the file or in and out of the view. They'll stay there until you actually remove them from the view. One more thing we do have, and I'm going to show you this a little bit later and talk about this in more detail, but you do have the ability now to override the default annotation. Here I'm just picking a different annotation than the one that is assigned by default. And if I go in there and select that now and annotate it, you can see I actually annotated it with a ditch annotation as opposed to, say, a baseline geometry annotation.